Hi, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. On Mother's Day, we all want to do or get something special for our mom to show them how much we love them and appreciate them. Some gift ideas are cooking them their favorite meal, for example, or getting them some beautiful flowers. But probably the purest, easiest, and best way is just to tell them in person, I love you. So to help you make that a little bit more special, in this video I'm going to show you how to say I love you in 10 different languages. Alright, are you ready? Here you go. I love you.
Mama, ich liebe dich.
Szeretlek.
Je t'aime.
Ti amo.
Te quiero, mamá.
Mấy chưởng.
아이스테루요. 사랑해요. 아니.
There you go. Now you can say I love you in 10 different languages. Which one did you like the most, and in which language are you going to say I love you to your mom? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, let me invite you to the hashtag #SayLoveToMom giveaway, which you can read more about in the description. Do you have any special Mother's Day gift ideas? Share it with the others in the comment section below. But if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.